The hell is that? What's going on, guys? MEZ back again with another video, and today I'm going to be installing these Shogun frame sliders on my Yamaha R3. Alright, so I had a low speed slide and scratch up my bike pretty decently, so I don't want that to happen again. So I'm going to install these frame sliders. These are the no cut kit, and I believe they're going to go right here where this bolt is. Alright, so you're going to need a 5/16 inch socket, possibly an extension too. Alright, so we got my extension here. This is a 5/16. I think my daughter's coming out. Oh, got my long ass breaker bar here. Jesus. Break that loose. Pull out a regular ratchet. No, but turn that off. Trying to get me demonetized. Alright, this is going to be a super simple install. You just remove this bolt here. This thing is probably hella deep though, honestly. Actually, no, I think it's coming out. Remove that bolt. Get our brand new bolt and frame slider. Make sure the washer is on there. Drop that in. Alright, so I'm going to use this washer that they gave me on this end, and I'm going to put the old washer right there. Thread it through. Slide it on there. And we'll tighten that bad boy up. Want that groove thing kind of facing down because it's low-key ugly. If you're liking this video so far, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Trying to get to 500 subscribers, having a giveaway when we do. Snug that up. Boom. That thing ain't going nowhere. Now we can do the other side. Once again, you're gonna need your 5/16 Allen bit. Still good to use an extension because we're gonna be working pretty close to the bike. Set this in a good position so we can get a nice turn on it. Swap out a ratchet. Take that out. Washer on. Tighten this back up. All right. She's all good. Let's check out how she looks. Not bad. Can't see him from the front. Really? That's what I like. Yeah, they look pretty good. And as you can see, they definitely extend out further than the fairings. So if I fall again, the fairings will be protected. Good. Don't think they're gonna get in the way. Nope. All right. What the hell is that? Water. All right. Yeah, like I said, if you guys like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, please. Trying to get to 500 subscribers. Need you to be a part of that. Thank you. It's been real. Y'all been realer. Peace.